Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll help you solve the problem of we notice some unusual activity. So we have disabled your ad account. Verify your account to run ads again. Then you may also see it this way. This ad account is ads and some of its advertising assets are disabled. You can't use it to run ads. Now, if you click on see details, it will log you in, it will load you to this particular page. Just a second. So it will load you in here. Then it tells you all the restrictions that are involved. Now, I'll explain to you what causes this problem and how to resolve it. So take time to watch this video to the end because the most important part is at the ending. Okay. If you don't watch it to the end, you will not be able to follow the correct procedure to do it. Now, first of all, this problem is caused by a suspicion that you are not the owner of the account. So what are the examples of suspicions that you are not the owner of the account? One, you are using a debit card to make payment, which probably is issued in a different country, which is not your primary location. So let's say you are living in the United Kingdom and the debit card you are using was issued in the United States or in India or in Africa, and you try to add it, Facebook will notice a suspicious activity. I'm not saying all the time, but this could be one of the reasons why they could tell you it's a suspicious activity. That's one. Number two, the currency of your debit card is different from the currency of your primary location. Again, let's say you are living in South Africa and the debit card you are using was issued in the US and you are trying to make payment in South African rand, okay, they will detect it. Or you are using a debit card that was it was issued in Europe and it's in euros, that's the currency, and you are using to pay for ad payment in India, Indian rupees, they will suspect this suspicious activity. These are examples. Number three, or example number three, the reason why they may also suspect this suspicious activity is you log in to an account on a different location, which is not your primary location, and you immediately try to add a debit card to make payment. So that is logging in a different location, different from your primary location, and trying to immediately make payment on the advertising account. And the reason why they do this is that a lot of hackers or scammers, when they log into your account, a lot of them, they will just log in and start running an advert. And sometimes they will spend a lot of money, waste so much money. And then at the end of the day, they will just, they will run advert. And then the budget could even be higher than what you have been using. Now that is another reason. Another reason is that maybe you are trying to run an advert and the budget is extremely higher than the amount you have been using. So let's say that you have been doing, let's say, maybe $10 a day, and the hacker hacks in and wants to do $500 a day. It is very unusual, and Facebook will detect an unusual activity and they will disable the account. So if they disable the account, I will advise you to take time and study or look at all that I mentioned. Which of them do you think is the reason why your account is restricted? Whichever is the reason, then you will now have to write and explain. And I will show you how that letter will look like. So first of all, when you log in and you come to your payment settings and they say contact support, you click on contact support. Then it will say request review. We notice some unusual activity, so your ad account has been disabled. If you believe this was a mistake, please answer these questions so we can investigate. So they said, provide information about the problem you are experiencing in as much detail as possible for us to help us investigate. So I have written a letter. This is the letter I wrote. I said, dear Facebook, my ad account Then I indicated the ID, and to locate your ad account ID, you come to the business support inbox where the ad account is disabled, and you can see it. So you just click on copy, and it will copy it automatically for you. Then you say, my ad account has been restricted, and I'm told we noticed some suspicious activity, so we disable your ad account to protect your personal and financial info. So I was asked to fill the form and contact you for help. Please help me get my ad account reinstated. I have read all your Facebook policies as stipulated at. Then I indicated the link to the policy page, and I indicated to them that actually let them understand that I've actually read their terms. And I am extra sure I didn't violate any of your payment policies. I am the real owner of this account and can provide any documentations you may need to help me get my account reinstated. Attached is the statement of my bank account showing deductions through my primary payment method ending. Then I indicated the last 4 digits of my debit card. Okay. So you do that. Then you have to attach your bank statement, because when you come here, it will say financial statement. Attach a statement for your payment method that include the last 4 digits of the payment method and any recent charges from Facebook. So now when you come and you check your payment activity, go down and check the payment activity on the debit card. You see the dates where there were transactions. So you can see here February 18th, February 18th, February 13th, February 10th, February. Though the February 18th and the 13th, they failed, but the first 18th actually was successful. February 10th, February 8th, all of them, there were transactions on those dates. Okay, so you make sure you attach the bank statement. And so they are saying that the last 4 digits of the payment method must be indicated on the bank statement and any recent charges from Facebook. So, and normally, if you also have the debit card, you can show it. So I'm saying attach is the primary payment method and the debit card. So I have to now click and then add. So I have added a payment method and the debit card. So now that that is done, I'll just click on request review. Good. So it will say, we will send you an email. You can view the message details in support inbox. So when you click on support inbox, normally, this is the message. I'm yet to get a reply. So when the reply comes, it will show here. Now, you may also come to, so those who don't know how to come to support inbox, you can, when you open your profile, you can click on the profile picture, then you click on help and support. You click on support inbox. Then you will see when you go to, when you click, you get a response. So it seems they have already responded. They said, I am sorry you're having trouble with your Facebook ad account. It looks like you have contacted us, contacted the incorrect team for this issue. Please fill out the form in the link below so that we can make sure that your request gets rerouted to the appropriate team. You see what they're saying doesn't even make sense. You asked me to fill the form. I filled the form and you are telling me it looks like I have contacted the wrong team. But I'll still copy the message and send it to them again. So let me just refresh it. So my reply has gone. So I will now wait for about 2 working days to get a response to it. Now, sometimes you may wait for 2 days and then the response is not coming. Or maybe the response come and they tell you, they get you an automated message that says that they will still not reinstate your account because you have violated their policy or something. In that case, you can contact Facebook support. Sometimes too, you may have problems contacting Facebook support, or they may not be able to help you. So please, if you have that problem, contact us and let us help you. We will help you on how to contact Facebook live chat support. Or in most cases, we actually would even review your problem, and we can also contact Facebook live chat support for you and then resolve your problem. But we don't do that for free. We charge to do that. So I will leave a link above. You can follow it to contact Facebook live chat support. If you contact them and it still doesn't work, follow the link in the description. There is my WhatsApp link and the Telegram link are in the description. When you follow it, you can contact us. We will have a Zoom meeting with you, look at your problem in detail, look at the possible procedures we have to follow, and appeal for you. And I assure you, there have been several people who couldn't get it. They even contacted Facebook support and couldn't get a solution, but we have been able to help them get a solution. So if you contact us, we charge very affordable and we will help you get a solution to your problem. Once again, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.